Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to separate PDF in Adobe Reader or Adobe Acrobat. So open your Adobe Acrobat first. Now open the PDF you want to extract the page or you want to separate the page. Okay, I'm opening this PDF. All you have to just click on this tools which is top left corner. Click on tools. Now choose organize pages. Click on open. Then you can see all of your PDF pages will be here. Choose the page you want to separate, like this page. Click on this and you'll find here extract option. You can see the cursor here, right? Click on extract and click on the blue extract option again, and the pages has been separated. If you want to save this page, just click on file which is top left corner and click on save as. Okay, now click on save. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.